Yo, 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 yo. All right, so what's good, what's good, what's good? All right, so before the video start, I want to go over this. I want to go over this about these faceless channels. So when you first post a video, and I seen the gurus, like the gurus won't, they won't go over this with you. So your video get basically pushed to 50%, and then 50% is adjusted. That's meaning it's being pushed to the right art. They're looking for it to look like C, and I basically I made notes on this, and yeah, like I said, I've been on YouTube for 10 years straight. My channel has been demonetized 2 times, and I'm smoothly going to work on getting back monetized, back being paid. But they took the monetization away, I guess, because the videos I was posting didn't follow YouTube guidelines, and they was like reused content. So now I fixed up my channel. Now we should be back being paid. But all right, so what y'all want to do is when your videos like this in a sandbox, you're in an arguing phase, C box. The C box. If you didn't know what that was, it's called sandbox. Argumentatic sandbox. So your video is being published to June 5th, 2026. This is when the video is first published, hits the platform YouTube. YouTube doesn't immediately show it to millions of people. It gives it small batches, 50 impressions, especially on the newer channel. And then what these coaches don't tell you, so what these coaches don't tell you, so on a smaller channel, YouTube don't send your video to a wider immediately. It goes through test phase. So the test phase is it going to impressions, but yeah. All right, so yeah, I don't know. So I want to go over the coach. I don't know what your coaches teach you. I don't know what all them other niggas do. I know what I do. I'm in my own lane. You feel me? Because I can't speak for no other nigga. You feel me? But yeah. This means automatic. It says read your title, read your description, and read your tags perfectly. It didn't dump into your video. It randomly dumped into the vacuum. So it says it didn't dump your video into it randomly. It's actively pushing it into the right place. So that's basically what it says. It says YouTube data's processing lag. It says you might be wondering why a funnel is 0% click-through rate even though you have 6 views. YouTube's back-end processing system updates the view count faster. It calculates the advantage metric CTR, average view duration. Yeah, the funnel, it says funnel graphics, exactly. So data, June 4th, 2026. It says meaning the details, analytics, it says relationship between impressions and clicks is still lagging. It's still lagging behind real time, and so it takes 24 to 48 hours for it to sink in. All right, step away from the real timing graph. Watch the hours graph right after, and upload will drive you crazy. The algorithm works slow waves, so during the 72 hours. So I want to tell you that you want to know how I notice. You want to know how to know this video is going to do well right here, and it's going to go from 6 views to having a lot of impressions because the algorithm didn't fully test it yet, and I want to show you my other video. And so look, I can show you proof. So, and after this video, I'm gonna basically do a niche leak of me going through other people's niches and me leaking them. And y'all like saying, "Oh, bro, you could do that?" Yeah, I could see other people's channels and put them out there. I mean, I'm not really supposed to do that, but I told y'all with life no more. I don't care. I'm doing whatever I want. I'm doing whatever I want. I don't care about it. I don't care about what people think. I'm me, nigga. You feel me, nigga? I'm me, nigga. You feel me, nigga? I'm me, nigga. I just said to your face, nigga, I'm me, nigga. You can't overplay me for me being myself. Nigga, I ain't harming nobody, nigga. Yeah. All right, so you can see browse 64%. You see suggested 30%. And you can see impressions. So this is starting to gain small batches of impressions. You see when we posted, it took it to about at least 4 days to get to 6,000 impressions. So yeah, so like I said, your video don't go viral quick. It takes it a few days. So you see right here, the first day we had about, so the first day, 16 hours later, we had about 100 impressions 6 hours. And then 16, 15, we had 100. So YouTube, it tests your video out more and it takes it. So you can see this video is still, it literally went from the views. So the views, when we first published it, it went from being at this 16 views all the way up until here. And yeah. And you can see the reach. The reach, the click-through rate could be a bit better. Click-through rate means the thumbnail, we got to try a better thumbnail for the next video. But you see, we gained 6,000 impressions though, which is great. And I want to tell you that many channels can't even gain that many. So on one video especially, and I want to share this other video. But yeah. But like I said, is a lot of people don't know how YouTube works, and a lot of people overthink their mind. That's why they're not making it far. You see the gurus can't even post as many videos because these niggas are useless, bro. You want to know, they don't have as many methods like me, bro. They're not me, and they will never be me. And I said to your face, bro, you'll never be Tyrese, bro. Tyrese signed himself with God to become this GOAT. You're not him. It never will be. Be yourself, kid.
Take one. Take one.
Yeah.
Excuse yourself.
All right, so I want to show y'all something. So before YouTube sends the video back, it got to go through these small batches phases. So these small seeds is just so you can see. I was 80 minutes in right here. It sends it to a small batch, and then it works its way up to a wider. The video don't go viral that quick. Y'all be wanting money. YouTube ain't a get rich scheme, bro. So yeah. So and I want to see how to reach that literally 4K impressions. You can see we went from 14K all up into here. But yeah, and I want that's what I want to say y'all though. But like I said, I'm gonna be posting as many videos you can see. So how did get to this point? The initial phase. So the initial phase 3 is every assist uploads travels down to hit him automatic assembly line. Before this is phase 1 metadata, phase 2 launcher, phase 3 suggested. This is what triggers your results. It's the system successfully identify which your establishments your video to a match content profile. But yeah, so this is the 50% split is the massive one, getting half of your views from suggested. So these views will start coming in from suggested. So that's what I want to show y'all in this prompt right here. So if you want to use this as act of a YouTube automation strategy, so all you just do is go to Gemini, you copy this, and then you paste it, and you give it a screenshot of your analytics, and it'll tell you what phase you're in. But yeah, but like I said, I want to basically tell you that my main has 18 million views, and so let me go to earn. Let me go to earn or show y'all. I was facing reused content right here, so I was facing reused content, but I stopped doing shorts to do long form because long form is where I'm gonna end up getting monetized at. But y'all see right here, so like dudes don't. But yeah, so I don't do shorts on the channel no more. But I've been viral so many times for shorts. I just got tired out of it. I don't like doing it on this channel. But yeah, but like I said, bro, it's, and I don't care. I want to tell you, I don't care about subscriber count. I'm gonna do at least. I want to run this. I want to do at least 1,000 long form of these coaching videos. I want to run it. We already at like 200. I want to do it like 1,000. But yeah, so, but yeah, and there's over 8 videos on this channel. But yeah, but that's all I have for y'all, bro. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. and I just got yelled at by my grandma. So I hate living. I don't want to feel like I'm being placed and I'm living with my grandma my whole life because people online came at me for that. So I want to feel like I want to get my own place and and I'm doing my own thing because I don't want to feel like I'm infiltrated or like you feel me? So so this is browse gate breakthrough. This is the mainstay. So what is happening right now? If your metrics are studied out, suggested phase, the argument opens up to the gate. So what I'm gonna ask it right here is, so is this good or bad? So is that phase good or bad that I'm in? It's gonna let me know if it's good or bad. But like I said, a lot of YouTube channels face this. I don't give a fuck about all these other coaches who's coaching y'all. Tell them to go fuck themselves. Tell them go fuck themselves. Fuck themselves. Who gives a fuck about what your coach, bitch? You haven't blew up fully to start coaching somebody. So this is it. This is good. You are actively in a brand new assess. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is this is 50% suggested split. This is the low numbers. So it happens. You get low numbers and then it go right back up. So this video right here. So I'm gonna show you this video right here is gonna go from being at 6 views to being big. Watch what I say because look. And if it don't, we will give it 24 hours. 24 hours, we're gonna give it 24 hours. The impressions should go up. So it should go from being at 97 impressions. Like I said, it takes some time, 24 to 40 hours. 24 hours, we will try to go for at least 2K impressions. Then the next hour, 10K. But so like I said, it takes some time for the algorithm to push it because the algorithm has millions of channels that has to push. So it just can't directly go and push our video, and especially our channel still new. But I saw I have for y'all, bro, and I go out my way to make sure I can make these videos great because we watched some of these videos. These videos help me improve on most of my new channels that I'm creating. But like I said, I don't care about all these other coaches. Fuck those guys. Fuck those guys. I don't care about them. I don't need those niggas. Never need a nigga. But I'm out though, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, and But I'm gonna also go ahead and make a folder on. Make a folder. I'm gonna go ahead and make a folder on strategies after 48 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a folder, and it's gonna be called this new folder. It's gonna have all this data in here. But like I said, this video is for the phases, for the metrics, and y'all can go through it and check it out, and it should help y'all. But like I said, YouTube ain't an easy game, and but YouTube takes time to learn through your data of your file, and it's not a filter. It's not a filter at all. So I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna also paste this prompt here. This prompt right here, the stock X would be in the description where you can check it out at. But like I said, all these other coaches, some of them are frauds. I wouldn't believe nothing coming their way. And I got to also later on today, I got a niche leak video I'm gonna do so for y'all. But I'm just mad because I don't want to fight. Like I want to feel like I made it myself. Like, you feel me? So I'm making it big. I'm growing more big. But so this is the phases. The phases before you go viral. So y'all need this phase. And so I'm gonna go through here the breakout phase and download TXT. I'm not gonna place it here. And but like I said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. And I also got more coaching. So I want to do at least 1,000 along from 1,000. And it ain't over. But I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. And